Hi, I'm going to give you some directions on how to navigate to today's work. First of all, need to find the ESL Canvas page for kindergarten. There's Miss Davis, ESL. And whenever you click on it, it should bring you to here. And you'll go click on Miss Davis going to school. And you'll scroll all the way to the bottom and find Monday 10-5. And when you click on it, it should say, Monday 10-5, I can talk about pumpkins. And this is a link to the Teams meeting. This is the vocabulary for today's lesson, the different parts of a pumpkin. The stem, the vine, the skin, the leaf, the rib, the pulp, seeds, and strands. You'll listen to this story to read aloud from a book called Pumpkin Jack. And after you listen to that story, you'll scroll down here and you'll go to the speaking and listening activity link. And when you click on it, it should take you to a new browser and it says parts of a pumpkin. And it has written directions, and if you click these buttons, it will play the directions for you too. So it says watch the video and listen to the parts of the pumpkin. So you'll listen to the video, and then it says now you try to name as many pumpkin parts as you can. That's what this button will do. So when you scroll down, you can use this to help you, and then you will click this record button right here. And you will say your different things like parts of a pumpkin, stem, leaf, vine, skin, rib, seeds, strands, pulp, as many things as you can remember. And then whenever you're done, you'll hit the microphone again. And then you can actually play it to listen to yourself. If you don't like it, you can hit the X and try again. After you submit your recording, you'll come down here and you'll hit this submit button, and then all you have to do is type your name. Don't worry about the email address, and then hit submit. When you're finished with that, you'll be able to exit it and leave and come back to the Canvas page. And for the writing today, on a separate piece of paper, you can use the different steps on how to draw a picture of Pumpkin Jack. And then I'll check it tomorrow when we meet on Teams. I hope this helps. Do the best you can, and we'll talk about it more tomorrow. And I will see you on Tuesday.